Fucking good weather, man. This is a bit of this dude is fucking crazy, man. Free parking? Let's do this shit. Let's do this shit. Oh, this is so fucking loud. Oh, I can't even hold on. Bro, this fucking circle is killing me. Oh shit. Oh fuck, man. Oh. Bro, it's so fucking loud. It's so. Listen. It's like smacking. Look, 3-wheel. Crazy fuck. Bro, this shit is crazy, dude. Hey, yay! Look at this shit, you got it? Whoa! Bam! Woo! Fy fan, helvete. Look at this. Look at that. How many people do this on a quad bike? Nobody, except for me and him. God damn, bro, this is beautiful. This is really nice. It's really nice. Look at this. You're going up there. Staircase. Where can we go from here? Shit, it's slippery. Jotta. Bro, testa burn up. Oj. Nej bro, håll frambromsen. Bro, kolla mitt spår där borta. Fucking brutalt alltså. Det här får man ju köra, men där blir det en annan sak. Vi kommer inte se igenom här. Vi kan lyfta över. Ja, nej. Jo, vi kommer igenom alltså, men är det värt det? Här kommer vi igenom 100. Men jag ska pausa.